In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email templates in Gmail, free Gmail. Email templates, email marketing for Gmail. First, open Gmail and sign in so you're looking at your inbox. In the top right corner, click the gear icon to open Quick Settings, then choose See All Settings. Along the top, go to the Advanced tab. Find the option labeled Templates. Make sure it's set to Enable, and then save your changes at the bottom. This turns on Gmail's built-in template feature so you can create, store, and reuse messages without retyping them every time. Back in your inbox, click Compose to start a new message. Add a subject line you'll want to reuse, and draft the body of your email as you'd like it to appear for a campaign or announcement. Keep it clean and on-brand. You can use formatting, images, and simple placeholders like brackets to remind yourself where to personalize later. When your draft looks good, click the three dots in the bottom right of the Compose window to open more options. Hover over Templates, choose Save Draft as Template, and then select Save as New Template. Give it a clear name so you'll recognize it later, and click Save. That's your first template ready to go. To use it, click Compose again. Open the three dots, go to Templates, and pick the one you just saved. Gmail will instantly drop your saved content into the message so you can add recipients and send. For example, if you saved a "Please subscribe" style message, selecting it will auto-populate the Compose window with that content. Let's create another template. Click Compose, add a subject, and write a different email body. Maybe a quick promo or a follow-up note. You can include clickable links by selecting text and using the link tool, which helps drive readers to your site or calendar. When you're happy, open the three dots again, go to Templates, choose Save Draft as Template, and then Save as New Template. Confirm by clicking Save. Now, to check both templates, click Compose once more. Open the three dots, head to Templates, and you'll see the ones you added. Select any template to auto-populate the message. From there, type the recipient's email address and click Send. And that's the process. Once templates are enabled, you can draft once and reuse as often as you need, which is perfect for email marketing, outreach, and routine replies. Keep your templates generic enough to fit multiple scenarios. Personalize before sending, and you'll save time while keeping your messaging consistent.